How to install the roof tent. This is how you receive the goods, packed in a 5-layer carton. Now open the package. Open the tent. Take out the install parts inside. You can check the installation instruction first. Remove the mounting channel protectors on both sides. Make the bottom bed board face up. Install the mounting extrusion channel under the tent. Align it, tighten the screws. Slide the fixing parts into the track. Each track needs 4 fixing parts. Turn the tent over. Let's install the black PU tent cover. Open the cover. Unzip the zipper. Slide the cover roller into the track on the folded side. And then slide the zipper into the track from these 2 corners. Let's install the ladder. Put the T-ladder bracket in the hole. Spanners and screw are in your install packed bag. Fix the ladder to the T-ladder bracket. And fix the ladder with straps. Fix the tent with straps. Close the cover and fasten the straps. Here is how to install the tent on your car. You need help from your partners in this step. Put the tent on this car and adjust tent position. Move the fixings to both sides of your car roof rack rail. It is very important to install and fix the fixing parts below. Okay, now that you have completed all the steps, you can start enjoying your happy mobile camping trip with your lovely rooftop tent.